Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever watched traders talk about key trends, you've definitely heard about the 200-day moving average. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to quickly add the 200-day moving average to your charts on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up, and more importantly, you'll understand why this tool is so valuable for analyzing the long-term direction of any market. Let's get started together. First things first, hop over to TradingView. You can use either the website or the app, whichever works best for you. If you haven't used TradingView before, it's one of the top platforms for charting and market analysis. It's quick, it's free to start, and it works for stocks, crypto, forex, you name it. So go ahead and open TradingView now. Next, take a look at the menu near the top. There's an option called Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where TradingView organizes its various tools and features, making it easy to access different types of charts and analysis options. Navigating through these menus might look complex if you're new, but don't worry, we're just after one specific feature. Now, once you're on your chart, look to the very top of the page for an icon that says Indicators. It's usually right up there, can't miss it. Click on that and you'll see a search bar along with a huge list of possible indicators. This is where TradingView really shines, because you can customize your charts in just about any way imaginable. In the search bar, type in EMA. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average, a popular indicator, and spoiler alert, that's what we'll use to set up our 200-day moving average. When EMA pops up in the list below, just click on it to add it to your chart. You'll notice a new line appears, usually in a bright color. If you're new to technical analysis, the moving average might look just like a simple wavy line, but trust me, this line can tell you a lot about whether a market is trending up, down, or just moving sideways. Next, we need to fine-tune this indicator. Right now, by default, it might be set to a period like 9, 14, or 20 days, which are great for short-term strategies, but what we want is the power of the long-term trend. So hover your mouse over the EMA line you just added, and you'll see a small gear or settings icon appear either next to the name on the top left or directly on the line itself. Click on it and this opens up the settings for our indicator. Now this is where the magic happens. Find the box that says length. This refers to how many periods the moving average covers. Erase whatever number in there and type in 200. What you're telling TradingView now is, show me the average price action for the last 200 days. This is a favorite for traders because it filters out the noise and highlights the true direction of the market over time, almost like looking at the forest instead of getting distracted by each tree. After changing that length, click OK or Apply at the bottom of the settings box. And that's it. You'll see your EMA line stretch across the chart, now representing the 200-day moving average. Don't worry if the line looks flat or seems far from the price. The 200-day takes in a ton of historical data, so it reacts slowly, but that's exactly what makes it such a reliable trend filter. And you're done. You've just unlocked one of the most powerful technical tools in trading analysis. If you'd like, you can customize the color or thickness of the line for better visibility. Just head back into Settings and tweak away. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like, and if you have any questions about moving averages or charting, drop a comment down below. I love helping you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.